Camus of the Order of Friars Minor Capuchin for some words of gratitude.
Your words lang po ito. Beloved brothers and sisters in Christ, with grateful hearts, we gather under the loving gaze of Our Lady of Lord to celebrate this moment of grace. By God's providence, our national shrine has been chosen as a Jubilee Church, a secret place of prayer, renewal, and pilgrimage, where countless souls will encounter God's mercy. We are also honored to welcome our new Bishop of Cubao, Most Reverend Elias Ayuban Jr., CMF, DDGCD. This marks his first public celebration at our shrine, and we offer our prayers and support for his pastoral mission. Your Excellency, you have a spiritual home here, and we look forward to journeying with you in faith and service. As we begin this secret journey, may the shrine be a true beacon of light, a sanctuary of healing, peace, and renewal. May Our Lady of Lord intercede for us, guide us, and lead us ever closer to her Son. Maraming salamat po at purihin ang Panginoon. So yung mga palakpak po natin sa ulian na lang para di tayo tumagal, ano? Isang palakpak na lang tayo mamaya. We acknowledge the presence of this distinguished guest. Thank you for joining us tonight. Most Reverend Onesto Angchoco Didi, our Bishop Emeritus. Reverend Father Steve Sabala, Vicar General. Pakitayo lang po para makilala kayo. Reverend Father Aris Sison, Chairman of the Commission of the Jubilee Year of the Diocese of Cubao. Reverend Father Edgar Martinez, OFM CAP, our Provincial Minister, Kapatirang Kaputsino ng Pilipinas. Father Roque Aristotle Padama, OFM CAP, Insol Guardian, Clergy of Diocese of Cubao, Capuchin Friars, Miss Jimmy Rivera, and 92nd AD, who rendered us the theme song of the Jubilee Year, Ningas ng Pag-asa. Thank you very much. The Honorable Barangay Captains of our 9 barangays, the Ensol Execuman Parish Pastoral Council and Lay Shrine Ministry, Insol Lincolns, our benefactors, parishioners, and mass goers, and all of you who contributed a lot to make this event a very meaningful, a momentous moment in our journey as the National Shrine of Our Lady of Lord. Thank you, everyone.
Let us all